Hello everyone, this is Karan here. You are welcome to Tech Karan YouTube channel. I am back with the new video as always with a new topic. In this video, we are going to take a look at some DerpFest room features. Why should you try this room as your daily driver? Why should you try this room? Why should you install this room for some features? What are the features you get in DerpFest room which you don't get in almost all other rooms? Wait, let me show you. I'm using DerpFest Custom ROM based on Android 9 for Redmi Note 8s. So these features are available in DerpFest room based on Android 9. I think so. These features are also available in DerpFest ROM Android 10 based also. You can go and try it out. So let us take a look at some features. Let's get started. Okay, so as this video is all about only features, so I will not show you any review because review is already available on my channel. You can go and check it out. The I button has all the links of these rooms review, DerpFest Android 9 based rooms and DerpFest Android 10 based rooms, all builds, etc. Let's take a look at some features. Whenever you go to the customization options like Owl's Nest, you can see the name. When you go to status bar, you have the option of customization of battery. You can change the battery percentage, battery style, whichever you like. Q style, circle, big dotted circle, text hidden. These are the settings you get in battery. And also you can choose to enable battery estimates in quick settings panel. Here you can see until 11 AM etc. whatever you will see. This means your battery estimates will be on quick settings header, which is a very good feature. Even when you go to battery bar, you can select the battery bar you can enable the battery bar location to status bar, top of nav bar or bottom of nav bar. Whenever you click on status bar, you will see the bar here. Wait, let me show you. I think the color is color this time. Here it is. You can see the red brightness bar here, which you can go and customize to center mirrored or any other things like battery bar thickness you can change. Now this is looking perfectly, and look at this. Now it is properly visible to everyone. Even you can use gradient color, which looks very good, which looks very perfect. So very good customization option like this. You can choose the carrier label to lock screen and lock screen status bar, or only status bar only. These are the three things you can customize, or you can even set a custom carrier label, whichever thing you want to write. Like I want to write Tech Karan. Wait, let me check out once. Click here and you will see this time Tech Karan here. So very good thing again, as always, a very good feature. You can customize the clock settings to this one, show seconds, alignment to left clock, center clock and right clock, AM PM, date. Also you can choose to auto hide the display, auto hide the clock for regular intervals. Then you have the option of status bar custom status bar items, which you can add or enable or disable from here. Chronic logo, you can see DerpFest logo here, old mobile signal, custom logo style, whichever you like on your status bar, like DerpFest alternative. Let's try out. You can see this this logo here, fingerprint, this one. So many extra options are there. Just go and try it out like this. Very good thing. VoLTE icon is there if you have VoLTE. I don't have VoLTE actually, that's why it is not showing here. You can choose the hide notch option, which is not perfectly working, which is looking ugly in my case. You can see this. There are now not moded rounded circles over here, so that's why I just don't like this. Just disable this from here. Network traffic, you can choose to display on status bar or whatever you like. Ticker notification preview in status bar, and some other things like quick settings. You can customize the quick settings, brightness, slider, etc. Expanded, you have the option of custom headers. If you want to choose, just enable it from here. You can change bootlegger style headers. Here it is. So you are using DerpFest ROM with the bootleggers ROM header. Wow, this is nice thing. Also you can choose any other image from here. Select your own image from here, like this one. So just this is already set as, here it is. Another good customization option in DerpFest Android 9 based ROM. Quick pull down, smart pull down, quick settings tile. Smart pull down is this, like if you want to choose this no dismissible smart pull down. Open quick settings when there is no dismissible notification. Okay, so just simply click here you will see the notification quick setting panels already coming on without any this. But whenever you disable this, you will see this no notification panel. But when you click this no dismissible, you will see directly this quick setting panel, which is a very good thing. Quick setting tiles, animation style, flip like this. This is a very good thing. Animation looking great. And now let's take a look at notification. Here you have the option of ambient music ticker, show music ticker on lock screen. Heads up, you can enable heads up notifications, and even you can make heads up less annoying for only dialer and messaging. For other apps, don't use heads up, etc. You can add app to stop list, add app to blacklist, whichever you like. In notification, show the notification of battery fully charged, kill app button, toast app button, noisy notification if screen on, and show notification count. These are the things you get here. Battery LED you can choose, and here it is, we have LED which you can customize to low battery, medium battery, almost full battery, and full battery. These are the things you get here. Also you can see I'm using gestures, so it means gestures are working perfectly. You can disable this from here and enable navigation gestures from here, and navigation gestures will work properly without any issues at all. And hardware buttons, you have the option of reboot, advanced reboot, screenshot, disable, power menu on lock screen, and screen off animation, which you can choose to CRT, scale, or simple fade. In volume, you have the option of playback control, control ring volume, rotation swap, volume key, cursor control, volume key, volume steps, etc., which you can choose like default media steps. You can choose to 5, 7, 15, 30, 45, 60, or reset, whichever you like. Just go back, and in recents you have the option of choose the recent style to Pi or Oreo, whichever you like. I like Pi ones best, and that's why I chosen Pi. Lock screen, some extra things are there. Charging info, how much current, how much charging max current you have on your device with that charger. Lock icon, media, cover art, clock widget, date style, temperature unit, lock screen colors, lock screen font options are available. Okay, fingerprint authentication, vibration, face auto unlock, fingerprint unlock after a reboot, and quick unlock when correct pin is entered, which is a very good thing. Also you can choose screamable layout, which is a very good thing. It will show you the random numbers whenever you are unlocking with the pin lock. Visualizer, you can choose enable lock screen visualizer with also ambient music visualizer, whichever you like. And at last you have the option of gestures like AOSP gestures to jump to camera, activate the torch, prevent ringing, and brightness control over the status bar like this, which is a very good thing. And 3-finger gestures are available, lock screen, status bar. These are the things you get here. At last, advanced settings, you have the option of app ops, control apps permissions, whichever you like, show CPU info, launch music apps, sensor block per package, suspend action. You have the option of vibrate on connect vibration and vibrate on disconnect, use framework value for corners, and also you have the option of enable screen stabilization. These are the things you get here. This was all from these options. This was all from all the features of DerpFest ROM. I hope you like it. So this was all from today's video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you in the next video soon.